This is the Kia Soul EV, the first generation, and that was a pretty serious recall for the battery. The recall is 23V218 NHTSA document. It was a little bit over-exaggerated in the news, so people said it's like a fire risk that can kill your car and kill you. Actually, it's not exactly true. This is a potential fire risk with a very small number of vehicles. In the USA, it's about 2,700 vehicles that were affected by this recall, and only the cars using E400 battery packs were under this recall, and it actually was simple software update, and only some extreme cases dealerships actually replaced the batteries. And the problem is actually with an internal short in the battery pack, so it's pretty serious, but again, not a lot of vehicles were affected. So Kia just reprogrammed the battery management system to report such events and prevent the battery cells from being shorted. Under this recall, the battery pack may or may not be replaced, as I've already said. And if your car still didn't have this recall recall software update installed, you can still go to the dealership and install it for free. This is a safety recall, not just a TSB or something. It's a recall that doesn't have a time limitation, so you can still install this upgraded software for the high voltage system.